Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can we meet you, sir?
My name is Akogun. I'm a legal practitioner, a family man, and a lawyer.
Sir, today, uh, Ogbomoso Valiant Club has statue in honor of the different premier of Western region and being your father, sir. How do you feel about it, sir?
Well, my grandfather.
Your grandfather?
Yes. Oh, my father is Abayomi Akintola, and he's the son of the late Chief Samuel Aduke Akintola. It's a great honor. It's a great honor. The man served this nation, and he had a lot of humility, and he lost his life serving this nation. So it's a great honor when he's remembered, and I am truly humbled by what the Valiant Club has done to, how will I say, immortalize him in Ogbomoso, because that is probably the biggest roundabout in Ogbomoso. As you're leaving Ogbomoso to go to the north, as you're coming from into Ogbomoso from the north, you will see the statue there, the bronze statue. It's a beautiful bronze statue. I'm so proud of what I've seen. And when I got there, I needed to take a picture next to it, and I sent it to my children so that they could know and they can also be proud of their heritage.
Sir, how will you describe the mixed feelings? It seems the same kind of uniform man that took his life in the in the first ever coup happened in this country. It's another sect of uniform men celebrating him, immortalizing him today. How will you describe the mixed feelings, sir?
Well, between you and I, coming here, as I drove from Lagos to Ogbomoso, and I was thinking to myself exactly what you just said. And I said the irony. The irony is that his life was snuffed out by the military, and he's being honored today by the military. The truth of the matter is that you can't keep a good man down. Grandpa has served this country. He moved the motion for independence of this country, and it was acknowledged, and so he has served this country on many different levels. A lot of his achievements, they've tried to downplay it, they've tried to give it to other people. But as I said, you can't keep a good man down, and this is recognition of his selflessness and his service to the nation. I'm truly grateful to the serving and the retired but not tired members of the service of Ogbomoso land who have felt who have deemed it necessary and appropriate to honor my grandfather. It is indeed an honor for the family, and the family is, as I said earlier, we are honored by this gesture.
Sir, now today you are home. There have been an insinuations and a lot of essays out there that ever since the exit of the late premier, there's nothing like his foundations or any other impact around, because seems most of the children are no more around the town or whatever. Sir, what can you say about this?
I would say that is wrong. My father, for many, 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 many years, was based in Ogbomoso. It is health issues that brought my father to Lagos. If not for health issues, my father would be here. Our family decided that they would show honor to Ogbomoso, show honor to my grandfather by giving my grandfather's house to Lautech as a gift. So the truth of the matter is that Ogbomoso is where our heart is. We're very much in love with Ogbomoso. We want the prosperity of Ogbomoso. We want the benefits of Ogbomoso. We want Ogbomoso to grow. We're extremely proud of Ogbomoso. That you can never take away from us. Yes, you may not see us as much as we would like to be here, but at the end of the day, we all know that we all have to survive in this our Nigeria. So, but Ogbomoso is in one's heart. Yes, thank you.
All right. It's a great pleasure having you around.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, your name, sir.
My name is Akogun Akintola.
We'll look forward to see you in the nearest future.
Thank you very much.
You.
Thank you so much.